Okay, so I parted my hair the best I could right here. I parted it, okay. And yes, I untangled it. It doesn't look like it, but I did. And I'm not really going to wet it that much because I gotta lighten it. So I'm not going to wet it very much. Okay. But I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I don't know, this comb, it has like numbers on it. I don't know what it's for. But I do have the right scissors. And I have these kind of scissors. So, yeah. But yes, I'm using a comb. And I believe you just go like this, right? And the same. Go from there to here, I believe, right? Oh my god, what happened? There, like that. Okay. And for some reason this hair is coming out too. See, my hair like needs to be bleached already and dyed because it is ugly. Look at this color in my hair. It's so ugly. I had it all colored not too long ago, that's why. But I think that this is not enough. What do you think? Is that enough bangs? I mean, the lining is right, see? Everything else is fine. I think. Okay. And then this is what I got left. This is what I got to cut. I mean, I don't know. It looks like it's enough for me. So, yeah, I have hair all different. Look at that. I don't know what's wrong with my hair, but it's all short right there, so I don't know how that's gonna look when I cut my bangs. But anyways, I'm gonna go down here. Well, then you had to use these numbers on here. Okay. And I'm thinking like right there. Be good, like right there. Cut it right there, right? Right there. Actually, cut it right below, right? Okay, ready? Oh. Okay. And there's my bangs. They're still long. They're still too long. What do you think? So, let's do another cut, a little bit more. Like right here, maybe. Right there. A little bit more. Oops. These are hair scissors. I don't know why they're cutting like that, but there you go. Oh my god, why are they still long? I'm scared to cut them, I guess. Well, I think I should cut one more time. Okay. Okay, so I just cut it one more time, and then I'm just gonna kind of use, I think these are just like that. I think, I'm not too sure how you use these, but I don't think I'm even cutting anything. Anyways, so there's my bangs. I got bangs, but they're split in the middle. But I don't know. What do you think? So anyways, I cut my bangs like that. Now what I want to do is, oh my god, Wrong one. I'm just cutting, trimming a little bit right here because so that those get to see how they are on the sides. Like I don't know, but just a little bit. I don't know why I have this hair like this. Like my hair when it was cut a long time ago, just kind of came out like that. But I know I don't look like I'm cutting anything, but I am anyway. Anyways, so here's my bangs. I got bangs now. Okay, so now as you can see, my hair is all colors. Look at that, how ugly this is. Look at that. Hold on. Turn this off. Okay. Look at this. Look at the back of my hair. Okay, my roots. Look at that. So I'm going to bleach it. Now that I already cut my bangs, I'm going to bleach my hair. This. Don't know if I'm going to use this, but of course I've got 30. Okay. And in my final time, after I'm done bleaching, I don't know how many times, I'm trying to go for a yellow. Make sure you kind of get it in there. Saturate. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm doing. Sectioning. Saturate. I think that's saturated a lot. I think I don't know. Maybe not, but I've never gotten to flip over like this. I used to comb it in there, but I heard that's not such a good idea. So I don't comb it in there. Ooh, starting to smell. I can smell that first, and now I'm starting to smell the bleach. Of course, as y'all know, I had the bangs earlier. So I got bangs going on now. I'm saying about an inch away, more or less, from my root for now. An inch or two away, so that, you know, yeah, I'll go back over the roots right now. As we go. No. But I think the application is probably nice and clear. I'm thinking it's right. You know, and of course up here, kind of forgot. It's not my root though, but just putting it in there a little bit, and then I'll go more closer to up here. Every minute I'm gonna have another check and help me because I cannot see that little picture even on face like this. And you know, trying to get it all. That's the other part I gotta do. I'll have him come and help me here and he always does, so I have that part. But for now I've got all the rest of it done before I do the roots. You know? And I don't use foil, I use a cap, my unicorn cap. See, I'll put this on after I'm done. Everything. Okay, next is right here. Next side. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just finishing up. My roots already got everything else done. So I just got all the back saturated with bleach. Pretty much my roots and everything. And I'm just finishing up. I still have a little bit left. And I'm gonna finish it up. My roots because I didn't last. I could already feel it burning me, so I gotta hurry up. It's already burning. I have like cut my head. It's hurting me. Or my scalp, I have like a little curve. And make sure you all the product, everything gone. Gone. Every little bit of it. Take it all out. Okay, and then I'll get my hair and I will put it up here like this. Here. It should all be up. It's all up. And I'll put my unicorn cap on. I just want to spray the bottom, but I don't because it'll start. Don't really need any. Okay, I'm just wait. Under this light nothing it says the process for just check every 5 to 10 minutes. Every 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't really say how long to leave it. It says do not use heat. I don't know why, but that's what it says on this one. It says the I mean, I think you leave for like 25-30 minutes. 25-30 minutes, but check every 5 to 10 minutes. Check up on it to see. Okay, and that's it for now. Okay, so here we are, second bleach. This is how it came out. Let's see. This is the best it's gonna get. I'm not bleaching it no more. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the strawberry leopard, You're My Sunshine. That's what I'm gonna dye it with. And it's still wet right now, but this is pretty much the outcome of dyeing it twice. And then I cut my bangs. So, to be continued, part 3.